September 30th, 2020 vocabulary. So we are going to drag these arrows and match the definitions to the terms. So we have order of operations, PEMDAS, evaluate, multiple, and least common multiple. So you can see we have two new words here. So the first definition over here, a number that can be divided by another number without a remainder. So a number that can be divided by another number without a remainder is going to be called our multiple. So if you click that and you take the one part of the arrow and you drag it down here, that is a multiple. For example, multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 is a multiple of 2 because 2 can go into it without a remainder. Now the next definition here, the smallest positive number that is a multiple of 2 or more numbers. So the smallest positive number, that term smallest there is going to hint to us smallest, least. So it's going to be the least common multiple. So it's the smallest positive number that is a multiple of 2 or more numbers. So the least common, meaning they have something in common, multiple. Now, the next one, the acronym for the words parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. We know that one. We know that one way too well. That is our PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or please excuse my dear Aunt Schnaterbeck. How about to solve or find the value of? To solve. Oh, is that the order of operations? Well, no. Evaluate. There it is. So to solve or find the value of, if I can get that, there we go, is going to mean to evaluate. So the last one, the rules that state the sequence in which the multiple operations in an expression should be solved. That, in fact, is going to be our order of operations, and woohoo, look at how pretty those crossed. And that is going to be our vocabulary.